In the world of technology, even the most meticulously designed software can harbor hidden bugs waiting to unleash chaos upon unsuspecting users. Imagine a scenario where a simple bug managed to infiltrate a company's database, threatening to compromise the accuracy of critical reports and potentially sending shockwaves through senior management. However, thanks to the miraculous powers of data profiling, with the aid of Power BI, disaster was averted, and the company emerged victorious. Buckle up as we take you on a thrilling journey through the realm of software mishaps, triumphs, and the heroes who saved the day. It all began innocently enough. Deep within the complex coding of a company's flagship software, a tiny bug had nestled its way into the system. This bug had an uncanny ability to transform innocent data into deceptive monsters, causing them to wreak havoc when unleashed into the wild. The bug was sly and patient, biding its time until the perfect moment to strike. As the software went about its daily operations, the bug began silently distorting the data it touched. Unbeknownst to the users, inaccuracies were creeping into the system, lurking beneath the surface. Reports that were once reliable now became unreliable, leading to questionable decisions and raised eyebrows among senior management. Fortunately, the company had an ace up its sleeve, a team of brilliant data profilers armed with the mighty Power BI. With its robust data profiling capabilities, Power BI became the ultimate weapon against the deceptive bug and its corrupted data. The team rallied together, ready to utilize Power BI's analytical prowess and visualizations to uncover the truth hidden within the tainted database. Armed with Power BI, the heroic team embarked on a quest to hunt down and eradicate the corrupted data. They connected Power BI to the company's database, leveraging its intuitive interface and advanced algorithms to identify the anomalies lurking within the system. Power BI's data profiling features allowed the team to analyze and scrutinize every nook and cranny of the company's data, unearthing the bug's footprints one by one. After days of tireless work, the data profilers empowered by Power BI emerged triumphant. They successfully identified and isolated the distorted data, ensuring its exclusion from future reports. Power BI's rich visualizations and interactive dashboards enabled the team to present their findings to senior management in a clear and concise manner, further solidifying their victory. As the dust settled, the company took a moment to reflect on the incident. They recognized the transformative power of Power BI's data profiling capabilities and the critical role it played in safeguarding their data integrity. The bug had served as a wake-up call, reminding them of the importance of incorporating robust data profiling tools like Power BI into their systems, helping them catch potential issues before they cascade into crisis. In this thrilling tale of software mishaps and heroic data profilers, we've witnessed how a simple bug had the potential to plunge a company into chaos. However, thanks to the power of data profiling, with the aid of Power BI, accuracy was restored. The diligent efforts of the data profiling team did not go unnoticed as senior management praised them for their exceptional work and dedication in resolving the crisis. The successful outcome served as a reminder of the invaluable role data profiling plays in maintaining the integrity of systems. It showcased the power of collaboration, expertise, and the remarkable capabilities of tools like Power BI in conquering challenges and emerging triumphant.